Alright, now I got a little helper with me. So the thing you need to do is, that's recording. The thing you need to do is turn on the car. When I say, when you start cranking, I will start adding the gas. Oh, start cranking. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Let's go right. Come on. Second gear. Third gear. We're at 100 bars, a little bit over 100 bars of pressure. No, just slow down. Put it in second.
The gas is.
Yeah. Release the clutch. Pitch and angles.
There's a battery sign and engine.
Okay. Third gear. We are at what's this, 90 bar of pressure.
Should I turn around?
Yes, on the roundabout. Try second gear. Watch. Нравится. Добре. Mislim da znam zašto. I think I know why the brake is not working. It's because there's no real vacuum at all in the system. Third gear. We are at 70 bar. You're driving normally, right? Well, there's very little pressure in the system. Okay, I reckon we need to slow down here. Press the clutch.
Okay, it works a bit. Second
Full throttle up. Third gear. We are at 60 bar. Nothing coming in. You can quickly make a second shift. Shift a second quickly. Yeah, let's do the roll once more. Bunch of weirdos. What the fuck are these guys doing? Okay, let's go back in the home.
Trying to brake. Okay, I gotta
Don't
push
press
the-
the throttle.
I just did first.
I heard that.
Why?
You pressed the throttle, right?
Yeah, wait.
And then the engine started to change the timing.
A button.
Yes, put it somewhere. Nice. Okay. What about this? Oh, I can put it back. So what do we have here? Just about 1000 RPM, and we have some pressure to try. So this car definitely drives now, doesn't it? Oh, apart from the odd crack now and then, but that's obviously has to do something with low RPM. Like if it's at this 2000, it sounds a bit better. The camera doesn't want to focus. Never mind. Okay, let's leave it until we get rid of all of the gas, because I want to see what's gonna be, if there's gonna be any damage of the long-term use. So we have now driven it a couple of miles at least, maybe a mile or two, mile and a half. So we lost the whole cylinder after that mile, and it started to get a little bit cold. You can try the cylinder. I'm gonna try to get a thermal image of the cylinder once this is done. So if I lower the pressure, and what we are almost at idle. This is idle. It doesn't really like this too much. I mean, the engine itself sounds fine, but it's just making these crack noises. Now it's better. And what we are 1,500 RPM. Very interesting. Can you hold the bottle for a second? And pop the hood. Everything looks good. Oh, it obviously sounds a bit weird. But those cracklings, that's some backfiring coming straight from the intake. Very interesting. Now let's see the exhaust. This definitely sounds weird. Okay, I'll turn it off. And you can remove the ignition. Right. So the hydrogen bottle has lost a couple of degrees of C. let's say the ambient is what is seat is 34, 35, 30 degrees C, door 34, asphalt 33, 36, and the bottle 24, 24 degrees C, 20 degrees, 19.4, 19 degrees C at the bottom. So it has definitely took some heat because of it's basically pressure release, hydrogen pressure release, because it was stored under a pretty immense pressure. And we have pretty much 0 bar left, so you could probably just pump a balloon with this, what's left inside, which I'm gonna do as well. See what happens. Okay, very nice. Oh, let's see the engine as well. Engine is running at a cool 67 degrees C. So all of the pipe work for hydrogen looks good. This is the filter. This is the splitter tube. It's all ambient temperature, so I would expect that nothing was actually burning inside of this, which is really good. You really wouldn't want your hydrogen to be burning inside of the tube. I'm not sure if that does happen or doesn't, but here you go. And the engine, I would say, it's just running at the normal temperature. It is an engine, and it's been driven, so that's what you get.